Hey guys, welcome back to Wild West Motorplex, the only place you ever need to go in the state of Texas to buy your power sports. Check out our beautiful 2014 Victory Cross Country factory custom paint that we have. 106 CI cubic engine, big V-twin, black. It's gorgeous. Check out the black flame with the neon yellow outline. It is ready to ride, guys. 27,000 miles on this bike, and it also has a tour pack on it as well, and upgraded Vance & Pines exhausts. They call it the Big Freedom V-twin, and it is an epic bike. Check out the back tail light. I love the way that Victory did that, kind of the cross tail light and blinker system. Those Vance & Pines make this bike sound amazing. It's 6-speed. It has a great radio on it. And again, this bike brand new would have been $22,000, $23,000 out the door. And we have it for $10,999. It's a great freaking deal. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and show you real quick, show you the mileage. So like I said, 27,000 miles, 26,976. And we're gonna fire her up. The key is right here on the side, so you can just hear the pipes. Oh yeah, I love these pipes, man. Vance & Hines makes some of the best pipes. Love this engine sound. Check it out. Oh yeah, this Victory motorcycle is awesome. It's beautiful. It's the custom factory edition, top of the line. And before we go, I want you to hear the radio, because the radio rocks. Guys, come get this bike. It needs to be ridden ASAP. The number is 281-392-8852. Thanks for watching our cross-country video. We'll see you next time here at Wild West Motorplex.